Okay, let's see if we can help you with this. I think we're supposed to say probably here that line BC is tangent to circle A at point B. And is each of these statements true for circle A? Well, let's see. Here's some theorems that you need to use to actually answer these questions. So this angle ADE right here forms a linear pair with this angle, which we don't have a way to name it. So I'll put a K out here. So angle ADE and angle ADK form a linear pair, and a linear pair, if two angles form a linear pair, they are supplementary. That means they add up to 180. So this has to be 35. Then for this converse of the alternate interior angles theorem, now your textbook, whatever you're using, might have this theorem named differently. But the idea is if you've got two lines in this diagram, M and N, cut by a transversal such that alternate interior angles are congruent or have the same measure, then you can conclude that M is parallel to N. And in this diagram, we can say that ADE is congruent to ACB because it's given information in the fact that this is a linear pair. So there's the measures of those two angles, which says that this statement is true, assuming there's an equal sign here, which was left out. And therefore, if those angles are congruent, BC is parallel to DE by this theorem. So this one's true. Now, what about this DE is tangent to circle A at point E? Well, look, if you can figure out that that angle is 90 degrees, you can use this theorem right here. If a line is perpendicular to a radius of a circle at a point on the circle, then the line is tangent to the circle. And that's exactly what's happening right here. This line DE is intersecting the radius on the circle, and 55 plus 35 is 90, so this has to be a 90-degree angle. And by that theorem right here, line DE must be tangent to the circle at point E. So all true. And this is probably leading up to your ability to do proofs with circles and tangents and chords and all that. Okay, hope that gave you some idea of what's going on. Hopefully you're taking notes as you go through your geometry course and writing down all the postulates and theorems that you encounter so that you can remember this stuff. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.